son, don't do it. We start the video off with that, y'all. This is your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. What Drew is talking about, we got BB guns in the shop to come play around, have fun with each other during the daytime, and make sure you shut down this fan for that air. But long story short, what happens is that he decides to walk into the front office, start belting me down with the BB gun, and I told him don't do it. And he did it, and the results were lethal. When I say lethal, is the fact of I got him in a way that he just couldn't believe it, man. But that's not the vlog today, man. The vlog today is something that's very special. We have a client that comes here a lot. He comes here from Waco, Texas. He has done everything to this car from Waco, Texas. You've seen the other vlog. We've done the wheels and tire. We've done the audio. We've done speaker. We've done radio. We've done everything to this car, his BMW, all of his cars. And we got the Impala here again, guys. So we're going to be doing a full, complete upgrade, something never done. It doesn't exist because it's a one-off. We are creating it here in the store. It doesn't exist. They do have the rings for it, so we're using the rings. But everything else that we're doing on this car flow series, it does not exist. So we got a brand new headlight because as you can see, these headlights are yellow and ugly. And we didn't want to have a foundation for the build that wasn't going to be crystal clear and crystal beautiful. So we got them a set of brand new headlights, as you can see here. We are going to create those to be flow series. You're going to have to stay tuned to find out what it could look like. But guys, honestly, I don't know if you're a car lover. If you're not a car lover, I don't know what your situation is. But this is a 1996 Chevrolet Impala, and it is the original Super Sport edition. It's not a clone, it's not a Caprice. It is the original Super Sport. They only came in 3 colors. They came in a black, a green, and this beautiful color, which is the purple burgundy. I'm gonna show you what the car looks like if y'all haven't seen it yet, man. I always tell him if he's gonna sell it to bring it to the shop, I am buying this car. I would love to have it because the weekend warrior, go out with my family, go cruise around, but take a look at this. It is an original Super Sport. I would change some minor detail, but I still love the car as it is. Center console shift, it is a real Super Sport. We did the wheels and tires for him. We actually also did these 6x9s. Got a 6-pack of 6x9 and then the subwoofer I'll show you later. But besides that, let me show you something else we're doing here at the shop today, man. If you have not gotten a hold of this, excuse the mess, we're doing remodeling. I'm gonna give you an update on that. But we are gonna be raffling off this Honda 600RR. Check this out, guys. It's a Honda 600RR. It runs perfect, recently serviced, brand new tires front and back. I'm gonna be doing all the new plastics, all the new fairings, brand new. So it's gonna be pretty much a brand new bike. I'm gonna get it detailed. I'm gonna have it cleaned out. The bike runs excellent. Josh is a motorcycle guy his whole life. He's driven it. He wants to enter the raffle. He wants to win it. I've had people come and offer me money to just come and buy it. But guys, I'm not gonna do it that way. We entered the raffle. We got it. I think I've already sold like 11 or 12 tickets already. The numbers are gonna be from 1 to 100. So you choose your number between 1 to 100. You hit me on Instagram or you know on AUDIOZONE on Instagram. You tell me the number you want. You cash app it to J Cruz TX. That's the letter J. That is CRUZ TX like Texas. So that's the letter J, the letter C, the letter R, the letter U, the letter Z, and then T for Tom and the X for X-ray. Good. That's gonna be the tag name on Cash App. You send the money, you give me the tag number that you want to have. The number's available. I give it to you. That's your number. If it's not, I'll let you know. You can change your number. The day of the raffle, what we're going to do is I'm gonna have a machine with balls. It's gonna have numbers 1 to 100 only. I'm gonna be live on YouTube. I'm gonna put the balls. We're gonna count the balls together, 1 to 100. Put them in there so everybody sees that all the numbers are there. We're gonna mix it up. Whatever number pulls out, if the number is whatever the number is, let's say 76 or 24. If your name is that one, you won this bike. It's gonna be completely done. I'm gonna have the rims redone for you. I'm gonna have the new fairings done. It has the custom exhaust. It already has the carbon fiber grips. I also have the jacket that goes with it, and I also have a what they call a seat delete. So you can have your seat, or you can have the deleted seat. But I'm gonna get this completely done. It's gonna be a raffle at $50 a ticket. $50 a ticket, 100 tickets. That's what the bike gonna be going for. He's trying to buy as many tickets as he can. He wants to have this bike. A lot of people offer me money to come buy the bike. Guys, it's gonna be a raffle of many. One day we might raffle out the AUDIOZONE. We don't know. We have a lot of things going on right now. We're gonna keep on building on this. Thanks to you guys for the support, but this is one way that you can really get to enjoy yourself. You cannot buy this bike for $50 nowhere. It is your one-time chance to get it. Hit me up and let me know. But besides that, let me show you what's going on here, man. People always ask what we do. We do have a mess right now, remodeling, and I'm gonna show you guys. But y'all saw the Impala, y'all saw the bike. This is Josh, one of my guys here in the shop. He is the tire sticker god of Dallas, Texas. I'm gonna put him like that. He puts it, huh? It says Ass God. So it does say Ass God, but that's the guy sticker you see to come by. I'm a base god. But long story short, he's the one that do the tire stickers, so he's involved in this one. Y'all probably remember that car from the build. We did the audio, the blackout, we did the custom wrap on that car, the diffuser, wicker bills, everything in that car been in the shop. We are now doing the tire stickers to it. One of many projects we have here at the shop, man, but you know, kind of what it is. In fact, I'm gonna take you to the front, introduce you to some people, like the owner of that car, and kind of show you what's going on the shop and see what you guys think. This is actually the owner of the Impala. Like I said, he's been coming here for a long time. He comes here from Waco, Texas, man. Because this is the way, about 3-4 hours away.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half because he drives a super sport. But for us that drive slow, maybe 2 hours or so. But long story short, we've done a BMW, we've done that car. And I've always told him, if he ever sells that car, I want to bring it to me. I love the car. If you ain't from my generation, guys, I'm 42 years old. And I'm going to tell you one thing. We both know when that car came out, I can't give you, having that car in those days, it's like having a red eye today, or having a GT Shelby 500, or having a, you know, to give you, for your Ford guy, having a brand new GT Shelby, that was that car. If you were a Mopar guy, you had a red eye, that was that car. If you were a Chevy fanatic, having a brand new Corvette Z01, that's what that car was in its days. It's 96, 95, 94, 96. Back in 96. But it's actually a beautiful car, and I'm gonna tell you right now, if you ever told me you sold that car to somebody else, I'm gonna say this on camera, it might be used against me in the court of law, but I'm not gonna testify. I'm gonna kill you if you sell that car to somebody else besides us, man. But you know what, he's actually the guy. State your name for the camera, tell everybody who you are.
Eric.
Eric, what do we call you here?
Waco.
We can call him Waco because he comes all the way from Waco, guys. But you know, if you're a loyal customer, we're gonna have that done. He's gonna be very surprised. We did something one-off, like I told you guys. Is nobody gonna have what he has. He's gonna be the only one that can have it because it's a one-time build. We've never done it for nobody else. Nobody else has it because we're actually custom building it in the shop. Y'all gonna see in a few minutes when Drew puts the light back on. I'll show you how it does what it does. Meanwhile, that going on, I'm gonna show you what's going on the shop and see what you guys think. So if y'all remember the shop before, guys, we used to have a door right here that used to go to the office, and we had cabinet. We deleted that, put that nice wall up. They're gonna flatten out this display and put it here against the wall. So we have the testing to show you guys what the radios are like, what the speakers are like. That TV that you guys see right here that used to be in that corner before, gonna go mounted in that wall. And now we're organizing the wheels. So now you can come and get a better idea of some of the wheels. So example, some of these are outdated, which are gonna be gone. We're reels in Miami right now. But some of these that are outdated, we're gonna get rid of them. We're gonna get all the wheels updated. So now you'll be able to come and have a better feel for it. We're gonna have all the merch over there. Think what the counters are looking like, but you guys can have a future view of what it could look like. But soon, AUDIOZONE 2.0 will be here. We're probably gonna celebrate a brand new, re-grand opening, maybe do a barbecue, have the cars outside the shop, give away some food, and maybe some other giveaways. It's our way of telling you guys, thank you guys for the support, and thank you guys for helping us get to where we at. 2020 has been a very difficult year, but in the midst of everything, we can all say in this shop that we've been blessed by God's favor, and we've been able to supply our homes, supply our families, and keep on living with God's favor in it, man. So we'll continue when we get the cars done. I'll show you what's going on. Okay guys, so we're here right now. I'm about to give the young man from Waco, Texas a sneak peek, and y'all gonna get a sneak peek before we get the finale done. Come on back here, Waco. I just wanna give you a sneak peek. I had to change something today because I had them, but I wanna make them different. Let me show you what it is. In fact, let me do this like a kid. Let's do like a kid. Come on, baby boy. Come on, baby boy. Open up the door for us. No, we're not gonna have no dog bark here, nothing. Come on, straight down, straight through, straight through, straight through. You ready?
Yeah.
Shit. So instead of being RGB, I did flow. But you could be multicolored at one time, red, green, blue, or you got the flow so you have a strip which you're gonna glow down with your seat on there, and you got the ring in there. That's all you think. We get out of here. Now I'm gonna show them when it's done completely, guys. We will have this car signed, sealed, and delivered in the next 30 minutes or so. We should be done with it. But it's an amazing, it's a one-off. Nobody has it, nobody's done it. And AUDIOZONE, DFW, thanks to the team we have, Mr. Drew, Josh, we got Adolfo, we got Isaac on the team, we got my guy, Gallo, which his name is Raul, we have another Boricua guy working for him, my father, which is known as Pops, and me. The team is coming together, man, and we are becoming to make miracles come true, and we want to be here to serve you, so come check us out when we get done with this reveal. So we got this guy here, man. Chris, tell everybody who you are.
Just Chris, PDR guy.
He's my PDR guy, so let me tell you guys exactly what that means. Whenever I have little dings and dents on my Hellcat and my wife's car and anything, he is the one that fixes it for us, man. He actually has a PDR store here in Irving, Texas. He comes and does mine here, but they do mobile, but you do have a shop here. But they do mobile work, man. In fact, tell everybody what's your phone number for your PDR?
214-315-5936.
Explain to everybody what PDR is for those that do not know.
Well, we basically massage the dents out. No bondo, no paint. Just straight take them out.
Just take them out and they're clean. I'm gonna show you guys, if you guys ever come by the shop, you can come and check him out. He actually does a great job. I just showed him my Tahoe. We have a couple of little dings and dents that he's gonna take care of so you get it. You've been my customer for 12 years now, something in that range. In fact, you were in high school driving a Cadillac DeVille when I first met Chris, and this is many years. Then you went to a Charger, then you got a Ram, and you know he's built himself up, and he's building a future, man. But he's been a client forever, and he still comes here. We thank God for that. And Chris, always thank you for coming back to the shop, man, because we do appreciate that. I'll be back after these minutes. Okay, crew, so this is what's going on, man. We have the Impala finalized. Let me show you what we did. You can get a closer look at it, man. We have the ring that goes in there for the Impala. We've added the Flow Series strip that does not exist for this car. So you can see you have a complete glow on the whole headlight. The whole headlight is giving the effect of the Flow Series that we have installed in there. It made it unique, it made it different, man, but the most important thing, the car's an old school. So it gave it that new school touch that we all do with our Mopars and all the other cars. It completely brought the car up to date. It is an honor and a privilege to have this. I will be giving this back to the customer in a few minutes to get their reaction. I truthfully love the car. It's something that I can't even explain to you, but I'll be back to you in a few minutes when we give it to the client, see how he feels about it, which is the most important thing, is what he feels. It's his car. Once we know, we'll have you back in a minute. Okay guys, so we're about to reveal this car to what we call Mr. Waco. He got this beautiful Impala. Y'all can see this car right now. It is a completely unique and beautiful car. It's got the US Max wheels. We did that. The audio system been done by us. This car pretty much been built by us. This is the final touch to it today. And let's see how he feels. As we get this car revealed to Mr. Waco, I want you to pay attention to this right now and see what you think, Mr. Waco. So we want you to come over here and have a look at your car and see what you're thinking. So I'm gonna walk you through what we did, and you can understand it 100% what's different from everybody else. Most people, if they have it on the Impala, they're gonna have the ring. That's the only kit that's available. We did something a little bit different. We added a Flow Series strip around the whole headlight, because you just don't have to, like here, you have the whole glass, the whole assembly flows, as you see it flowing. So you have the whole effect of the whole headlight, not just an angle. Different from anybody. You're the first one that has it. I'll tell you something truthfully, man. I hope he sells me this car one day, because I'm gonna love it more than he do. I'm telling you right now, I don't want him to tune it. I don't want nothing. I want it original. I got a question for you. This is your baby. How you feeling about this right now?
Great.
You waiting to go out there and go have some fun?
Hey,
I'm waiting for him to leave this car with me.
And buy one more thing. Buy another one of these strips and do it right here.
okay.
And like that.
I won't even charge you for it if you want it. I just want to do it because I want the car. See, the more I can keep the car here, the more I have the chances of him coming saying, Jeff, I just had a problem. I'm in, I gotta send somebody some money or whatever it is, and you know, I end up with a 96 Impala Super Sport. We'll see. You know, the Bible teaches me that if I go around something 7 times, you know, that's how the walls of Jericho got knocked down. So I'm already at 2. I'm gonna give him 4 today, and I'm gonna leave him with 3 pennies for the next time. All right, guys. But the reason I do that is I proclaim that I'm gonna own that Impala. So we'll be continuing with this in a minute. Mr. Waco, it's always a pleasure. I already told you, you want to come to the corner like when they tell me, I'll do it for you. I won't even charge you for that. I just want to do it for you. And the reality, it's a pleasure and honor to work on this car. It's always a pleasure and honor to work with you. And now my part comes in. So I put in the work, my team put in the work. Now he has to put in the work and let go of the money. We'll see you back in a few minutes, y'all. All right, guys, so just to give you a long story, there's another long-time customer of mine for many years now. There's customers, there's friends, and there's the people I call PETA. I'll explain it to you in a minute what a PETA is. He happens to be a PETA, and I'm gonna explain to you why. You've been my customer for how long?
Almost 10 years.
10 years. When you're a customer for 10 years, you have certain expectations or royalties or advantages over the new client because you've been a client for a long time, right? I know him, I know his son. He called me on Wednesday, I think it was. I need this problem, so on and so on. We're booked out, as you guys know, on this day. But I said, listen, I'll try to fit you in. I fit them in. They're working on it, getting it situated. And this is where the word PETA comes in. So you know what PETA is?
Tell me.
Pain in the ass. It is the pain in the ass of mine sometimes because he wants everything quick. He wants everything cheap because he wants to try to hustle me for everything. If labor is 65, he want to give me 30. If the speakers are 100, he wanted to give me 25. But you know what? It just comes with the territory, man. He's been a customer for many, many years, and it's a pleasure, honor to have him here. His name is Reggie. He's from the local area. He's one of the OGs of Irving. He's a customer, so I'll flaw his car in a few minutes. Many people ask what do we do, what we don't do in AUDIOZONE. Of course, besides having the wrap, we've also just got done installing the tire letter. So if you look here from a distance, you'll see that all of this vehicle has been wheeled. We did the wheel, we did the tire, we did the side skirts, we did the carbon fiber, we did the wrap, we did the wicker bill, we did the window tint, we did the wrap. What don't we do to your car? Everything in this car from beginning to end has been done here at AUDIOZONE, Irving, Texas. This is gonna be delivered to the customer very shortly. He's Obama-based guy, so when you see him in the meets or you see him in the streets, you know where he came from. It's from AUDIOZONE. In fact, he is here in the building. He just landed. Mr. Jason Clark is in the building. I'm about to turn in the car to him, give him the rules and regulations. They were just put on, so here goes your rules. There's still a plastic left in front of the letters. We don't take that off for a reason, because it's still curing to your tire. So for the next 24 hours, you could drive your car, don't pressure wash your tires, don't put no armor all, none of that kind of stuff. You're literally gonna let it baby itself and do what it has to do. Most of them are gonna come off by themselves, but they're gonna plastic like this one. You see it off, this is still on, you see it? They're pretty much gonna fall off by themselves. Once they fall off, then you're good to go, but you can't use pressure washing because it's pressure. It's actually glued onto your tire. But it's crazy because I was just vlogging your car, everything head to toe down, and he's actually here to pick it up right now. Because this is Mr. Jason Clark. He is the Obama-based guy in DFW. This is his vehicle. You probably see him out there in a lot of the meets, man, and stuff like that. He doesn't go out too much, but he does go out. And when you see him, it's hard to not know it's him. You know what I'm saying? The car's pretty unique and pretty different. We got this one done. It'll be signed, still delivered, give him his keys. He'll be rolling from there.